All right, we'll finish our complex rational expression discussion using this kind of ugly and large looking complex fraction. Nice thing about this one though is that I have a single fraction on top. Remember, I really want to get a single fraction over a single fraction. So I don't have to really simplify or work with the numerator at all. The denominator is what we need to focus on. I've got to get these two fractions into one before I can do my copy dot flip step. What I'm noticing is that my denominators are different, and so I need a common denominator. They don't share any common factors, they're already factored, they're prime, so the LCD is going to simply be their product. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take those off to the side, combine them, then put them back in and finish off the problem. So we'll start off here with 3 over y minus 3 plus 2 over y minus 2. I'm going to, in this first fraction, multiply by the y minus 2 because that's the missing factor. And in the second fraction, I've got to multiply by the y minus 3 because that's the missing factor there. Now, of course, in the numerator, I want to distribute. Here I distribute the 3, and here I distribute the 2. So we get 3y minus 6 all over the LCD. And here we get 2y minus 6 all over the LCD. Okay, and then I want to combine my like terms to get the two fractions together. So 3y plus 2y gives me 5y. Minus 6 plus minus 6 is minus 12. And that's all over the LCD. Okay? So now I've got this single fraction that I need to replace into the bottom, into the denominator of my big fraction. So let me work that out. So the top is still 5y over y squared minus 5y plus 6. My denominator, instead of being these two fractions, it's going to be my new single fraction, which is 5y minus 12 over my LCD, which was y minus 2 times y minus 3. Okay. Now I've got a single fraction over a single fraction. We're going to do the copy dot flip step. Okay, so we're going to do copy first. That's 5y over y squared minus 5y plus 6. Then we're going to multiply by the reciprocal of the denominator. So I'm going to multiply by y minus 2 times y minus 3 all over 5y minus 12. Now at this point it doesn't look like I can do much simplifying, but let's factor this first denominator and see if we can get it to cancel with anything. I'm going to factor it into, let's see, factors of 6 that add up to negative 5 are going to be minus 3 and minus 2. So we can make it y minus 3, y minus 2. And lo and behold, both of those will cancel off with the two factors up on the top right. So I would cancel off the y minus 3's, cancel off the y minus 2's, and that leaves me just with a 5y up on top and just a 5y minus 12 on the bottom. Remember, this trinomial already factored and the whole thing ended up canceling out. And so this is all I have left with. Neither of these, the 5y is itself kind of factored already, right? 5 times y, I guess, are the factors. And then 5y minus 12, there's no common factors, nothing I can pull out there. So it is already in its prime form. There's nothing there's no factors that are common to the top and bottom, and so this would be our final answer, 5y over 5y minus 12, okay? So again, very nice simplified form coming from a really messy looking complex fraction.